Namaskara, sir. I remember meeting you 1 year ago here itself. That time you were fighting against BJP and Congress. Today you have tied up with BJP. What does this mean? You are being opportunist. You want to tie up with BJP to keep JDS alive.
It is not a opportunistic politics. Several times, several decisions made by several parties, even leaders. Because after the assembly election, both the parties realized in the assembly election, BJP also seriously taken that election. They fight against us also. After the election result, BJP senior leaders also realized here to fight against Congress, it is required that both the parties come together. For that reason only, people also feel like that.
Sir, but they called you corrupt that time. They said father and son party. They made all kinds of allegations.
No, several times, brother. This kind of allegations in politics is common. You see.
So what is the basis for this alliance?
No, this alliance is not to get some personal benefit. My aim is several problems you are facing, even several issues in front of central government. From last 40 years, that problems up till now they have not settled. We join hand with BJP to solve the problems which we are facing from last 40 years. Because our party is small party. We can't come cover power on our own. If we join hand with BJP, I think entire country move.
So you are not worried BJP will swallow you up?
No, they can't swallow us. Our strength is
JDS will remain.
It will be remain. We are not going to give any scope for any party to swallow our party.
So you are not doing this under compulsion, under pressure?
No pressure. With confidence from both the parties, mutual understanding, we come to an alliance. Here, this alliance actually, in 2006, we already had an experience with Yadurappa ji.
Sir, but you have tied up with Congress in 2018, now with BJP. You are going in any direction whenever you get power.
That was the mistake.
That was a mistake.
That was the mistake. At that time also, Narendra Modi ji, he personally called me. Then he advised me 1.5 hours. You are doing good work, but because of Congress hurdles, you are not getting any good name. I know your work.
So Congress is your main enemy now.
There is no undisputed. Congress are the enemies. Not only enemies, they wanted to finish our party in this Karnataka.
Sir, but you call yourself Janata Dal secular. You are tying up with BJP.
What is the secular means? What Congress people, friends are doing, every corner of the state, they are raising the caste issue only. They are encouraging caste, one side. One side they are telling they are the secular.
Sir, but you are also appealing to Vocaliga voters.
No, I am not appealing only Vocaliga vote. I am actually requesting entire state without any caste, actually naming the caste. I am treating every caste with honor. Even when I was Chief Minister, when people came to me to get their problems, to solve their problem, at that time I asked them what is their problem. I have not asked them which community you are belonging. That is my nature.
Sir, but I want to understand, if Congress loses this election, do you think government in Bangalore also will change? Are you hoping for change in Bangalore or only for Delhi this is?
This election is for Delhi, for Narendra Modi ji only. After the election, anything may happen, we don't know.
Anything may happen.
Anything may happen.
Deve Gowda ji has already said government will fall.
Because why I am telling that, we will not going to disturb the Congress government here. The last 10 months, what they are behaving in the inner circle of Congress, they will going to destroy themselves by making their suicide. Some attempt.
Sir, will your JDS voter vote for BJP? Will your JDS voter vote for BJP?
Everybody mentally already they decided in all the 28 constituency, our party, not only our party workers, BJP party workers and leaders. We have mutually come to understanding with wholeheartedly both the parties we are working.
And what is your role? You will be a union minister at the center. What is you want to be in Bangalore or Delhi?
At this point, I am not concentrating to get a ministerial berth. My goal is to get all the 28 seats in Karnataka by both the parties.
But I will ask you one last time, sir. When I met you 1 year ago, your main enemy that time was both BJP and Congress. Now you are saying main enemy is Congress. You have changed or politics has changed?
No, politics change. People's decision is different now. They wanted the alliance in Karnataka. Voters are wanted alliance with BJP. For that, actually, I have decided.
I have got Vijendra ji also, the BJP state president. Nice to see you, Vijendra ji. You tell me, this alliance, people are saying, you were attacking Kumaraswamy's party only 1 year ago, calling them corrupt, saying father and son party. Now you have joined hands.
See, the question is, today our former Prime Minister Devagowda ji, his stand is pretty clear. Looking at Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's government in last 10 years, the way Modi ji has delivered in the interest of the nation, even Devagowda ji wants Narendra Modi ji as the Prime Minister for one more term. Hence, Bharatiya Janata Party and JDS Party, both we have come together here in Karnataka.
So you have forgotten all local issues. You want Modi ji in Delhi.
Nation first.
Nation first you are saying. So you have forgotten all allegations you have made of the past.
Forget allegation. Our priority is BJP should come back to power at the center under the dynamic leadership of Modi ji. So forgotten all our past differences, we have come together.
I met Siddaramaiah ji. He said we will get 20 plus. Congress will get 20 plus because of my guarantees. People are voting for Congress guarantees, not for BJP this time.
You can't fool people again and again. People are cursing the state government here in Karnataka. They believe in Modi ji guarantee, not Congress fake guarantees. People of Karnataka will bless Narendra Modi ji. They will bless BJP and JDS here in Karnataka.
But you admit that last time you won 25 out of 28. This time it will be difficult to repeat it or not. Do you agree or not?
Definitely, it's a tough battle. But end of the day, the mood of the people is in favor of Modi ji. So definitely we are confident. Will Karnataka, BJP and JDS will sweep Karnataka.
Sir, but 1 year ago the Congress won in Karnataka in assembly election. What has changed?
But since the last, Narendra Modi's tenure, the development scheme given by a Modi ji government, the people of Karnataka, not only people of Karnataka, entire country, the mood of the country is in favor of Modi ji. Same here in Karnataka as well.
Why have you changed so many candidates? Is it the Yediyurappa Vijayendra impact? That time we were told that it was the Santosh impact and Yediyurappa ji was being marginalized. Now you are back. Why so many candidates changed by BJP?
The decision has been taken by our national leadership, not by Vijayendra, not by Yediyurappa ji. It's the decision taken by our national leadership.
Sir, but at that time your father was also attacked by even JDS. They called Yediyurappa ji's symbol of corruption. Now you have joined hands. People will say, what is this politics? One day you are with one side, one day with the other.
Once you see the result, you will understand. On ground, the people are with BJP. Forget what has happened in the past. But the mood of the people here in Karnataka is in favor of BJP and Modi ji.
And you and Mr. Kumaraswamy are now best friends?
In the interest of the nation, definitely yes, we don't mind.
In the interest of nation, you will tie up with someone whom you called corrupt only a few months ago.
See,
Father-son party.
the point is the mood of the people. They want to teach a lesson to the people, to the Congress party. They want to support Narendra Modi ji for one more term as a Prime Minister. We have forgotten all the differences. We are here together.
It also shows that you need JDS to win elections. You cannot win on your own.
It's a win-win situation for both JDS as well as BJP. There is no harm in doing it.
So orange and green are good color mix, sir. Yes. Orange and green are your new mix. First it used to be only green. Now you are very green and little bit of orange.
These both color, now people are attracting towards this both color.
Double color. Yeah. Now you are into double color. Earlier it was only green and white. Now you have added orange to it.
Almost Indian flag is actually we are wearing.
And who is driving the alliance? Vijendra ji or you? Who is the driver? And who is in the back seat?
It's Modi ji.
Modi ji.
Power of Modi ji is driving both BJP and JDS.
Okay. power of Modi ji is driving your alliance. Kumaraswamy ji, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijayendra ji. We wish you well.